In the intricate tapestry of Norse mythology, Loki occupies a uniquely fascinating and multifaceted role as the trickster god. Unlike the other deities, whose attributes often lean towards clearly defined virtues, Loki embodies a paradox of traits that encompass both cunning and chaos. As a complex figure who dances along the boundary between good and evil, Loki's presence in Norse myths serves to highlight the dualities inherent in existence. One of Loki's defining qualities is his remarkable ability as a shapeshifter. This extraordinary skill allows him to assume various forms and identities, enabling him to deceive and manipulate those around him. Whether turning into a fish, a mare, or even an elderly woman, Loki's mastery of disguise makes him a formidable player in the realms of gods and giants alike. His transformations serve as metaphors for adaptability and subversive strength, illustrating that appearances can be deceiving, and that flexibility can be both advantageous and detrimental. Loki's cunning intellect positions him as a clever manipulator and adept problem solver. He often intrigues other gods, with his quick wit and resourcefulness coming to their aid during dire situations. Yet, this same intelligence carries a dual edge. Loki's cunning can just as easily be used to create chaos and conflict. He is the architect of many schemes that lead to trouble for the other gods, showcasing his fluid nature as a harbinger of mischief. This cleverness emphasizes the notion that wisdom can reside in unexpected places, and that intelligence can be wielded for both beneficial and malicious ends. As a bringer of both help and harm, Loki embodies the very essence of chaos. His actions often result in unintended consequences, shifting the balance between order and disorder within the cosmos. For instance, while Loki plays a pivotal role in helping the gods obtain powerful items, such as the creation of Thor's hammer, Mjolnir, he is equally responsible for creating conflicts that threaten their harmony, such as the death of the beloved god Baldr. This duality reveals the intricate relationship between creation and destruction, highlighting that the forces of chaos are ever present and influential in the lives of both gods and mortals. Loki's character defies simple categorization as purely good or evil, embodying a compelling duality that makes him a particularly intriguing figure. He is often viewed as a trickster who operates outside traditional moral boundaries, challenging the established norms and structures of the divine realm. His relationships with the other gods reflect this complexity. While he is close to Odin and Thor, his actions can also undermine their authority and create turmoil. This duality serves as a mirror for the human experience, reminding us that individuals cannot be easily defined by singular traits. Loki's character invites us to explore the gray areas of morality, suggesting that the line between heroism and villainy can be thin and often blurred. Throughout Norse mythology, Loki acts as a catalyst, playing critical roles in many myths, and serving as a key figure in the prophesied events of Ragnarok, the apocalypse that will bring about the end of the world. His eventual betrayal of the gods and alliance with the giants reveals the transformative power of chaos, as he shifts from a companion to a harbinger of doom. This pivotal role underscores the themes of fate and inevitability within Norse beliefs, suggesting that chaos, while disruptive, is an integral part of the cosmic cycle. Loki, the trickster god, embodies the complexities of existence, challenging the perceptions of good and evil through his shape-shifting abilities, cunning intellect, and chaotic nature. He reminds us that life is often a blend of light and dark, lawfulness and lawlessness. Loki's intricate character serves as both a source of entertainment and a cautionary tale, a reminder that the trickster, while capable of mischief and harm, also possesses the ability to reflect our own complexities and the realities of our world. In exploring Loki's rich and multifaceted character, we are invited to question our own narratives, confront the chaotic elements of our lives, and acknowledge the intricate dance between creation and destruction that we all navigate. As we engage with Loki's myths, we uncover deeper truths about the human condition and the unpredictable nature of existence itself.